So today guys, we're outside in the back of the house. You're going to see me in a different realm, different from reviewing food and everything. So right now we just catch a cool stove where they're catching, but you know we have ingredients them right now. Today on the menu is some curry chicken and white rice. Yeah. So for all who I thought about me can't cook this and that, I'm multi-talented, you see me? So today we'll cook up some curry chicken out in the backyard, country lifestyle, cold stove thing and baking, you see me? So that's a way upon the cold for catch, cut up the seasoning, wash the chicken, season up the chicken and get the pot bubbling, you know? So the first thing I will cut up are some scallion. You can't have a pot without scallion. So I cut off a little end them, little withered or wilted ends. You understand? Throw them there. And then take off the good part of them now. Just put them right there so. Cut up the scallion. Now the onion, peel it. Just have the little brown outer layer. The epidermis. The epidermis. The outer layer skin and epidermis. Epidermis.
Oh God, they're gonna come for you.
No business. More of them come for me. Alright, so try to cut them up however you like still, but preferably small pieces. Chop up them and see if we need no more because I think we need a whole onion. It's not much. And not much forward, you know? No. Garlic, kind of mash it out little. Get the flavor going, you know? Yeah. I'm still gonna like kind of mince it up. I think we're just gonna put like. I think we're just gonna put like one more garlic. Cause I want to use garlic still in a chunk. So you don't want to eat the food and not taste the garlic. You see me? Next now, Scotch bonnet. Be like more queens and eat it. Bet. Some green scotch, some Scotch bonnet. Cut up everything. You see the tricky thing about me now and pepper. I'm kind of allergic to pepper, but I like the flavor of pepper. You see me? So like the basically I say like the essence of the pepper in the pot. Some want the food like hot, but you know when you eat it you want to taste Scotch bonnet. Alright. So we have the ginger now. You grate it and kind of chop it up fine. To get the flavor out of the full effect. And we have the time, and you see we chop up everything already. Scallion, onion, garlic, and the pepper. And the powder seasoning there right there, so the curry, all purpose, and ginger, garlic, and pimento. Well, add the curry in the oil now, make it burn little. Yeah, here it has sizzle. Yeah. Alright, you can do. Woo! Yeah! Put the thing in now. Alright, so hear the part about this now. You're scraping this, but you don't wash out this. You catch a little water upon it when you're ready for the water. And then you throw it in. You see me? Yeah. This is just to get the flavor, the sweet pepper flavor, you know. You also never try this yet? When you try it, you see me? Thank me later. Yeah, cut them small, little. Not too small. Cut out the potato now for put it on the pot. For thicken, like kind of thicken the gravy and add a little more volume to your food. So cut it down, hopefully. I'm going to cut off my damn hand. So you cut it so it cut off in a dices. You just kind of go through it and make sure say all of them kind of even out. But coming along very well. If you can throw in like the potato now. And the sweet pepper. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to need to use everything. But yeah. So we transferred the curry pot on this low flame and I'm going to cook the rice over here. So I'll show it to you now. Take it to finish. There I go. Sample one of the potato. Check one of the potato. If it's soft and it's soft. So that's a wrap on the curry chicken. Time for now for lock off. Embo lock off. Cover the pot now and make the rice. Cook up, you know? Yeah, my rice. Well, Shelly. Of me attempting to cook curry chicken in the backyard. So we have Ricardo give us his honest opinion on my chefings today.
Soft and nice. Nah lie. No cap. It tastes good. I'm trying the rice. Could I use a little bit more salt, but it's good.
No, what kind of more salt? Yeah, high potential you want to catch.
I love salt food. I love salty food. So,
Put him up on the bevel.
I know that thing. Can't ball.
Alright,
9 out of 10.
my honest opinion on this. I know my first time I cook curry chicken fish, but these are the best one I ever cook. Don't care. As Eric Carter said, nah, mother give it a 8. It probably cooked too long and would have used some more gravy, but you can mix it up if you like your food like that. But not salty, no salty food down here. And I can give myself a tap on the shoulder. Ready? Okay, first Kaleli.
How is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. I'm a spice girl, so it would need a little bit more pepper, but it's fine because according to Jahil, pepper make him head scratch.
Yeah.
So, but so far it's good. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10.
And not because you're family.
And not because,
And not because
it's
you're
right.
family.
Yes.
Let's hear this little hate over here now.
Biggest critic.
Biggest critique.
No man, this can get a 9 for sure. It could have used pepper, but it seasoned good. I taste the ginger in it and I like that. I could have used a little more scotch bonnet, but it's good, it's really good, and the rice cooked nice and good too, so thumbs up.
See how much you give them?
9.
Alright guys, so you heard it. I think they might be nice too, but we'll take that.
No man.
Good man, good.
It was a good attempt. I think I'll do this more often. It was fun, chill, but the next time it's going to be bigger, better, more food, more people, hopefully.
Yes, yeah.
So, that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you now. Thank you. Yes. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And we'll be back shortly. Whew.